Welcome to this introduction of the Sonexis Conference Manager Operator Console. The Operator Console enables organizations of all sizes to experience the added features, functionality, and professional quality of incorporating operator control into their conferences. Today, we will overview the Operator Console interface and look at some of the most prominent features of the application. The Operator Console enables full conference management of live, scheduled, and ad hoc calls. A user is able to manage active conferences in real time, assist incoming callers, and aid participants requesting help. The easy-to-use Operator Console interface is divided into three areas: the Operator Control Panel, the Conference tabs, and the Conference View area. The upper left corner is the Operator Control Panel. From here, the operator can monitor conferences, dial out to participants, and answer help requests. We'll go through this area in more detail later. To the right of the control panel are the Conference tabs. These tabs enable the operator to view live, scheduled, and create ad hoc conferences. Each live conference listing includes a display checkbox, the host name, conference ID, subject, start and end time for the meeting, and some statistical information for audio and web participants. The Scheduled tab shows similar details for conferences that are scheduled for the given day. The Create Ad Hoc tab enables an operator to activate ad hoc conferences for system-defined users. Operators can create new ad hoc accounts by clicking the New Account button and filling out the required user details. If the desired user is already defined in the system, the operator can search by conference ID or the host's last name, and then activate the conference by clicking the display checkbox next to the desired entry. When a display checkbox is selected on any tab, a panel appears for that conference in the Conference View area below. Each conference panel can be freely moved and resized, enabling the operator to arrange the layout in any way they prefer. Now, let's take a closer look at the active conference panels. Once a conference is displayed, the operator can add participants using the address book or direct dial. There is also a Call and Join on Answer option to immediately connect the participant to the conference without any introduction prompts. Each conference panel contains two sets of quick access controls, one that affects all participants and another that affects individuals. Group controls at the top of the panel enable the operator to join the conference, pin the conference, keeping it in the Conference View area between Operator Console restarts, create a new private conference into which the operator can drag participants, mute or unmute all participants except the host, place all participants except the host on hold with music, disconnect all parties, blast dial to select contacts if the meeting has blast dial enabled, and access various lists. Individual participant controls appear alongside each conference attendee. Using these controls, an operator can initiate a private conversation with the participant, mute or unmute an individual participant, place an individual on hold with music, disconnect the participant, or dial out to an unconnected invitee. The participant list itself is also editable. The operator can simply double-click on an entry to change a participant's name. Now that we've reviewed the basic structure of the Operator Console, let's go back and look at the Operator Control Panel in some more detail. The Operator Control Panel is the primary area from which an operator can monitor conferences, dial out to participants, and answer help requests. Before an operator can do any of these things, however, they must first establish an audio connection to the operator conference. If the operator's phone number is configured in the system, clicking the Call Me button dials out to the operator. When the audio connection is completed, this button changes to Connected. If the operator's phone number is not configured, the user can dial in to the conference manager directly or set up their dial-out number via the Settings window. From here, the operator can also determine whether to display the active talker in any visible meetings, display fellow operator meetings when any other operators are active on the system, prompt the operator for PIN during dial-out, auto-display all live meetings, join the conference muted, or allow the operator to join an empty conference. Once the operator's audio line is connected, they are placed into the operator conference. This conference acts as a holding area for the operator. and allows the operator to manage help requests and perform dial-outs. If configured, a tone will sound when there are any help requests on the bridge. This feature can be toggled on and off with a single click. When incoming participants request assistance, the Incoming Connection Help Requests button turns orange. Clicking this menu displays a list of all incoming callers who have entered *00 for help joining their conference. From here, the operator can connect to the caller, name the caller, and then join them to their meeting by simply dragging the party to one of the active conferences. If a conference participant dials *00 to request help, the Conference Participant Help Requests button turns orange, and an icon appears in the conference panel next to the signaling party. Clicking this menu displays a list of all signaling participants. If an operator is not able to find the signaling conferee at a glance, they can click the Lookup button next to the participant name to instantly locate the corresponding conference. The operator can then connect to the participant privately or join the entire conference to provide assistance. At any time, the operator can return to the operator conference by clicking the Home button. This will take them out of any conference or private participant connection and return them to a neutral state. Operator Console users can also initiate a new dial-out from the Operator Control panel. Operators can specify name and phone number for individual dial-outs or use any available address books to select contacts. Available address books can include the Global Address Book, the Operator Address Book, and any other active system address books. Outlook contacts can also be integrated into the console. When the operator dials out to a party, the participant is connected to the operator conference until the operator drags and drops them into the appropriate conference panel. Thank you for viewing this tutorial for the Sonexis Operator Console. To learn more about the Operator Console or any other Sonexis solutions, please visit our website at www.sonexis.com.